Namo Namaha. Myself Miss Shamal from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Students, today we are going to study Vibhakti Mala Part 2. In this shloka, the Panchami Vibhakti is used. तैलात् रक्षेत जलात् रक्षेत रक्षेत शिथिल बंधनात् मूर्ख हस्तेन दातव्यम एवं वदति पुस्तकम. Evam means in this way. Thus, Vadati means says. Pustakam book. In this shloka, the book is saying something. See. Tailata rakshet. Tailata rakshet. Tailata Panchami Vibhakti. Tailata from oil. Tail means oil. From oil. Protect me from oil. Raksheta. Protect me from oil. Jalata rakshet. Protect me from water. Raksheta shitila bandhanat. Bandhanat binding. Shitila loose. So loose binding. Protect me from loose binding. Murkha hastena datavyam. Datavyam should not be given. Na datavyam should not be given. Murkha haste. Haste hand. Murkha full. The hands in the hands of a fool. I should not be given in the hands of a fool. Evam vadati pustakam. Thus says a book. In this way the book says that protect me from oil, protect me from water, protect me from loose binding. Na datavyam. I should not be given. Murkha haste. In the hands of a fool. Evam vadati pustakam. Thus says a book. Tailat, Jalat, Rakshet, Bandhanat. These all are in the Panchami Vibhakti. See the meaning. Protect me from oil, water, loose binding. I should not be given in the hands of a fool. Thus says a book. Lakaram. Vadati, let lakaraha. In this shloka, the Shashti Vibhakti is used. Narasya abharanam rupam, rupasya abharanam gunah. गुणस्य आभरणं ज्ञानं ज्ञानस्य आभरणं क्षमा. आभरणम. आभरणम मीन्स ऑर्नामेंट. रूपम ब्यूटी. नरस्य षष्ठी विभक्ति मीन्स ऑफ मैन. नर मीन्स मैन. ऑफ मैन. रूपम नरस्य आभरणम. ब्यूटी इज द ऑर्नामेंट ऑफ मैन. रूपम नरस्य आभरणम. ब्यूटी इज द ऑर्नामेंट ऑफ मैन. गुणः रूपस्य आभरणम. गुणः मीन्स वर्च्यू. गुणः मीन्स वर्च्यू. वर्च्यू इज द ऑर्नामेंट ऑफ ब्यूटी. वर्च्यू इज द ऑर्नामेंट ऑफ ब्यूटी. गुणस्य आभरणम ज्ञानम. ज्ञानम नॉलेज. गुणस्य ऑफ वर्च्यूज. सो नॉलेज इज द ऑर्नामेंट ऑफ वर्च्यू. नॉलेज इज द ऑर्नामेंट ऑफ वर्च्यू. ज्ञानस्य आभरणम क्षमा. क्षमा forgiveness. Forgiveness. Jnanasya of knowledge. Shashti Vibhakti of knowledge. Forgiveness is the ornament of knowledge. Forgiveness is the ornament of knowledge. Narasya, Rupasya, Gunasya, Jnanasya. These all are in the Shashti Vibhakti. See the translation. Beauty is the ornament of man. Virtue is the ornament of beauty. Knowledge is the ornament of virtue. Forgiveness is the ornament of knowledge. In this shloka, Saptami Vibhakti used. Vyasane mitra pariksha, shura pariksha ranangane bhavati. Vinay bhrutya pariksha, dana pariksha cha durbhikshe. Here Vyasane. Here Vyasane means calamity. Not a addiction. Here Vyasane means a calamity. Mitra, friend. Pariksha means tested. How we can test the good friend? A friend is tested in calamity. Mitra pariksha. A friend is tested in calamity. Vyasane, calamity. Shura pariksha ranangane bhavati. Ranangane, battlefield. Shura, brave man. Pariksha, test. अ ब्रेव मैन टेस्टेड ऑन द बैटलफील्ड. रणांगणे सप्तमी विभक्ति. अ ब्रेव मैन इज टेस्टेड ऑन द बैटलफील्ड. विनय भृत्य परीक्षा. भृत्य सर्वंट. परीक्षा टेस्ट. विनय पोलाइटनेस. हाउ द सर्वंट टेस्टेड. अ सर्वंट इज टेस्टेड बाय हिज पोलाइटनेस. विनय बाय हिज पोलाइटनेस. दान परीक्षाच्या दुर्भिक्षे. दान परीक्षाच्या दुर्भिक्षे. दुर्भिक्षे फमाइन मीन्स शॉर्टेज ऑफ समथिंग्स. सुखा पडणं अकाल पडणं. सो दुर्भिक्षे फमाइन. दान परीक्षा. दान मीन्स चॅरिटी. द चॅरिटी इज टेस्टेड इन द टाइम्स ऑफ फमाइन. इन द टाइम्स ऑफ शॉर्टेज. इन द टाइम्स ऑफ शॉर्टेज. व्यसने, रणांगणे, विनय, दुर्भिक्षे. These nouns are in the Saptami Vibhakti. See the meaning. Translation. A friend is tested in calamity. A brave man is tested on the battlefield. A servant is tested by his politeness. Charity is tested in times of famine. Lakar bhavati. Let lakarah. Here Sambodhan is used. Adideva namastubhyam prasida mama bhaskara. Divakara namatubhyam prabhakara nama astute. Adideva. Adi means first. Adi means first. Of O first God. Adidev is a Sambodhan, so we are calling the God. O first God or O supreme God. Namastubhyam. Nama means salutation. Tubhyam means it's the Sarvanam. Salutation to you. Prasida mama bhaskara. Bhaskara means sun. O sun. O sun. Prasida mama. Be pleased. Be pleased. Please means what? Shant. Be pleased. Divakara namastubhyam. Divakara again the name of a sun. O sun. Namatubhyam. Salutation to you. Prabhakara namo astute. Prabhakara the name of a sun. Here they are telling that sun, you are the ocean of luster. You are the ocean of luster. Luster means shine. O sun, you are the ocean of luster. Prabhakara namo astute. Salutation to you. Salutation to you. Adideva, Divakara, Prasida, Bhaskara. These are used in the Sambodhan. See the translation. O Supreme God, salutation to you. O Sun, be pleased. O Sun, salutation to you. O reservoirs of luster, salutation to you. In this last shloka, all the singular forms of all the cases of the word Ram is used in that. Let's see. रामः राजमणि सदा विजयते. रामं रमेशं भजे. रामेण अभियता निशाचरचमु. रामाय तस्मै नमः. रामः नास्ति परायणं परतरं. रामस्य दासो अस्मि अहं. रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु. मेमो राम माम उद्धार. राम. राम. राजमणिः. राजमणिः द बेस्ट किंग. विजयते सदा. विजयते सदा ऑलवेज. विजयते विन्स. राम द बेस्ट किंग इज ऑलवेज victorious. Ram the best king is always victorious. Vijayate let lakar. Ramam Ramesham bhaje. Ramesham the husband of goddess Lakshmi. The husband of goddess Lakshmi. Bhaje means devotion. I am devoted to Ram. Ramam. Bhaje Ramam. I am devoted to Ram, who is the husband of goddess Lakshmi. Ramesham means what? The husband of goddess Lakshmi, Vishnu. Ramena abhyata nishachara chamu. Nishachara chamu. Chamu means group, army. A group of demons. Nishachara chamu, a group of demons, was killed. Abhyata was killed by Ram. Ramena tritiya vibhakti, by Ram. Killed by Ram. Ramaya tasmai namaha. So that salutation to that Ram. Ramaya chaturthi. Salutation to that Ram. Ramannasti parayanam parataram. Parayanam greater. Parataram, no other. Na asti parataram, no other. Means there is no other greater than Ram. There is no other greater than Ram. Ramata means Panchami. Ramasya dasah asmi aham. Ramasya Shashti Vibhakti of Ram. Dasa servant. Aham I. I am a servant of Ram. I am a servant of Ram. Rame chittalaya sada bhavatu memo. Sada always. May my mind. Chittalaya merge. The mind merge in that. The merging of the mind. Chittalaya means what? The merging of the mind means may means my. May my chittalaya mind be always. Sada always. May my mind be always merge in Ram. Rame in Ram. Saptami Vibhakti. Rama mam uddhara. O Ram, afflict me. मेरा उद्धार करो. O Ram, afflict me. In this way, the Prathama Vibhakti is used. Prathama Vibhakti is used in that. See the translation. Ram, the best king, is always victorious. I am devoted to Rama, who is Vishnu, the husband of goddess Lakshmi. An army of demons was killed by Ram. Salutation to that Ram. There is no one greater than Ram. He is the best resort. I am a servant of Ram. May my mind be always merged in Ram. O Ram, afflict me. Lakar. Let Lakaraha. In this way, students, we done with the Vibhakti Mala. You have to learn all the shlokas by heart and write down in your notebook with the translation. Dhanyavadaha.